Good evening, everyone. So, today we at Inspire are here with you people to have our live sessions on are religious people intellectually lazy and atheists more intellectually responsible. So, in order to discuss this, we have with us, so Gaurav sir, welcome. Sir, you can unmute your mic.
Thank you, Yashvir. We would like to welcome all our viewers also. This is our first session at Inspire Facebook, and we are very excited to have it. And of course, perhaps you might be also.
Yeah, I am too. So, sir, so would you like to give a brief introduction about today's topic that we are going to discuss?
Yeah, this is a very interesting question that we came across, and we thought it's a nice point of discussion. And generally, these 2 points are very conflicting and very much into our subtle memory. So let's start with them. Now, this topic, are religious people intellectually lazy on the basis that they convey their ideas of explanation of life as something like everything is created by God, the supreme power, and we have no business except to see Him, and the common phrase, sab moh maya hai, and like that. तो इस तरीके से हम देखते हैं कि इन जो रिलीजियस पीपल होते हैं इनके ऐसे कुछ आर्ग्यूमेंट्स होते हैं. वहीं एथिस्टिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखें तो जो एथिस्ट होते हैं they have a different point of view. They go more in logical reasoning and ability to discuss and discover on their own self. So basically these 2 points जो है उन पे डिस्कस करने वाले हैं हम. तो हम देखेंगे कि दोनों पॉइंट्स में कैसे एक दूसरे से मैचिंग है और डिफरेंट है और कौन सा पॉइंट इनमें से एक्चुअली स्टैंड होल्ड करता है. So now talking about religious people have some kind of faith या उनका कुछ belief होता है जो कि हो सकता है कि जो normal evidence या proof है उसके contrary भी हो, उसके opposite भी हो. Whereas जो atheist होता है वो evidence और proof के basis पे अपने points को रखता है. या अब हम begin करते हैं. Atheistic point of view से हम जब रिलेट करते हैं तो ये जो हमारा पॉइंट है एथिस्टिक, ये आया कहाँ से. तो हम जब ये पॉइंट डिस्कस करते हैं एथिस्टिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू तो हम जनरली सोचते हैं कि साइंस के डेवलपमेंट के साथ एथिज्म डेवलप हुआ. इट्स द कॉमन बिलीफ, राइट? मोस्ट ऑफ यू माइट बी हैविंग इट कि जैसे जैसे हमने साइंस में एडवांसमेंट किया वी बिकेम मोर एंड मोर kind of non-believer and we gave up that old fashioned idea, right? And so let's see कि हम एक पहली बात तो ये क्लियर कर दें कि जो एथिस्टिक व्यू पॉइंट है वो कोई साइंस के डेवलपमेंट से नहीं आया है, बिकॉज एथिस्टिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू वाज एग्जिस्टिंग ऑन द सेम पीरियड. उस टाइम से एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है जब से ये पॉइंट एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है कि गॉड एग्जिस्ट. उसी पॉइंट से ये भी एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है कि गॉड डजंट एग्जिस्ट, राइट? और हम सोचते हैं कि जैसे डिफरेंट एथिज्म क्यों मतलब इतना इंक्रीजिंग में आया, तो हम चलिए मान लेते हैं उन कंट्रीज के बारे में बात करते हैं जिनमें एथिज्म प्रमोटेड है या प्रोमिनेंट है उन रीजन्स में, जिस तरह से चाइना और सोवियत यूनियन, रशिया. सो हम देखते हैं कि एक्चुअली एथिज्म एक इंटेलेक्चुअल बीइंग से नहीं आया. हाउ आई कैन से दैट? द पर्सन्स हु प्रमोटेड दिस फैक्ट और हु वर द proponents of this political vision of communism or atheism, they were not some very scientifically advanced men, correct? And even after the acceptance of the view of atheistic, it was not that there was some sudden boom or effervescence in the scientific view. And we generally claim that religious point of view जो होता है वो conflicts का एक issue होता है, because there is many strong believers, एक fanatism के नाम से जो हम बोलते हैं, right? So fanatism जब हम वो देखते हैं तो उसका जो results है irreligion और religion दोनों follow करने वालों में एक प्रकार से सेम ही है. द irreligion जो फॉलो करते हैं या एथिज्म जो फॉलो करते हैं, जैसे कि we get the example in the history of Hitler or Stalin, so their atrocities, उन्होंने जो अत्याचार किए है ना, और what they gave the rise in the conflict were not very much different, or we can say even in the sense they were more than what the Catholic Church did on the heretics, those who had kind of non-belief view on the point of religion. So we see that there is this point of view that in any sense we cannot say that the atheistic viewpoint is the development of intellectual responsibility, which we are talking, right?
Okay. So in that regard, normally we see that atheism is considered as like on the basis of, actually atheism is on the basis of facts and figures, because normally people जो भी atheism की बात करते हैं वो proof की बात करते हैं, है ना? And जहाँ तक कि हम religion की बात देखते हैं, when we see religion, so it's basically faith, naive faith. So how would you convince people regarding this कि religion तो कोई fact और figure की बात नहीं करता है, कोई तथ्य नहीं है उसमें, तो generally आजकल के युवा इसी चीज पर ध्यान देते हैं कि fact, prove this, if this exists then prove. Then what's your comment on that?
Okay. Like we say that facts and figures के बारे में discuss करते हैं. So generally हम जब ये facts and figures के बारे में exist करते हैं तो एक बहुत common point निकलता है. जब हम देखते हैं कि most of the masses of people are not very intellectually probing या बहुत ज़्यादा smart we can say और intellectually increased equipped नहीं होते इतना, correct?
Okay.
But actually is the case, most of the people follow what is in the current mainstream. जो current belief उस time पे prominent होता है, most of the people follow that and it also appeals to them. Okay. So at certain point, there may be the dominion of religious principles or religiosity, and there may be dominion of atheistic point of view. But when we see that religious जो आप बोल रहे हैं एक fanatic और इस तरीके से non believable facts की बात हम करते हैं, so at that time most of the people are not actually fanatic, neither they are sentimental, but they are functional. That means most of the people जो उनकी needs के हिसाब से suit करता है वो उसको adopt कर लेते हैं. For example, if they find that religious life or religious principles is adding some meaning to their life or is having values, adding values in their life, then they accept it and move forward. It's not that they argue on the facts and basis. So this is the practical view approach of common people. Yeah.
Yeah. So actually in this regard also, I observe that many times political abuse, you can say, people normally people they manipulate things, and as many of the you can say public, बहुत सारी public they follow political powers or some kind of heroes. When they manipulate things, when they show the things in other way, then people get diverted. So in this regard also, people they generally see that this is like and be the one of the reason where atheism is propagating. So my next question is that normally a human is searching for meaningful life. Then where when it is searching for meaningful life, either it is from religion or either it comes from atheism. From wherever it is coming, they are adopting. So how we can like say this, that this is not proper or this is not proper? How you can like justify these things?
Okay. So first, let's discuss on the topic which you pointed out first, that religious जो political leaders होते हैं, हाँ, yes, correct. जो political leaders हैं, वो actually क्या करते हैं, religious belief system के ऊपर जो power influence है, वो उसकी वजह से exploit करते हैं, correct? और यही सेम केस हो सकता है इरिलीजन के केस में भी, जैसा कि हमने प्रीवियसली एग्जांपल दिया इन द हिस्ट्री स्टालिन एंड इन हिटलर. They can also behave in the same way as the point in this is that actually people can adopt any ideology, but they will move according to their mentality. So the basic trait remains the same. They can adopt like any peaceful person can also adopt religion, and any violent people can also adopt atheism. So it's not on the like intellectual differentiation, but that serves their purpose. So in both the cases you find intellectually lazy as well as intellectually more responsible persons. But as you said that what was the second part? Sorry, I missed.
My second part was, till what extent we can say in atheism there is meaning, we can extract meaning from atheism.
Okay. हाँ, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट डिस्कस करने वाला है कि हम किन बेसिस पे मीनिंग के ऊपर. ओके, तो एथिस्ट में क्या करता है, एक एग्जांपल से आपको डिराइव करूंगा. एथिस्ट से दैट this religious practice is meaningless, or that religious practice is meaningless, and this is useless, it does not have any faith. Then actually atheistic view removes the foundation of meaning of our life. How we know the atheistic point of life. Atheistic point of life holds that we are just a bunch of chemicals, right? We are just a bunch of chemicals and some biological creatures which actually have the trait of eating and mating and struggle for existence. This is our purpose. But we see that this does not give or differentiate in any way from the animals. We don't get the purpose here, correct? Yes, but yes. Whereas atheists say, if they say that this religious system is meaningless, then that implies that your statement should also be meaningless, because you do not have any purpose. Why should I bothered about any meaning in life if I am just a bunch of chemicals, correct? Whereas in the religious point of view, what we get the religion encourages us to look or search for the higher side of ourselves, that is the spirit, that differentiates us from this matter, or encourages us to go beyond this normal eating and mating biological characteristic to search for some higher purpose in life. And they give, and the roots are in the spiritual reality. ये जो roots है इसकी, ये spiritual reality में, हमारा spiritual existence में इसकी roots है. तो यहाँ से ये derive करते हैं meaning, that this is the purpose of life, or that we have to move forward with. Okay, Yashveer. So as we were talking, are you back?
Yes.
Okay. So I think you heard the answers or not?
Yeah, actually there is bit connectivity issue. So okay, I would like you to please conclude so that our user can.
Yeah, that's nice. So when we say the religious people are now coming back, like we were discussing about intellectual. So intellectually, the religious believers have the fact that they inquire such questions about life. What is the higher purpose of life? What is I am meaning for? What is my existence? What is the origin of this universe? The questions, the answers according to the religion is, you may be, आपको शायद आपका बिलीफ उन पे ना हो, या वो कितना स्टैंड करते हैं एक मेंटल इंटेलेक्चुअल रीजनिंग के हिसाब से, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, कि उनके जो रीजंस है वो डिफरेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है. बट द पॉइंट इज द क्वेश्चंस इटसेल्फ, कि ये क्वेश्चंस रेज किए उन्होंने, ये itself indicate करता है that they have a hard thinking or intellectual responsible questions for them in life. And we see that in the religious persons also there are great thinkers who have heard and who have also found the answers of these questions, and to the extent that they promote or teach this, to that extent we can have harmony and peace with this. And going back to the atheistic point of view, atheistic points of view may deal with a majority of facts and evidences, but ultimately they have no as such purpose in the whole reality, in the whole picture. Atheistic view does not give a purpose to life. They denote that we are a bunch of chemicals who have some biological traits, eating and mating, and we have to struggle for existence. And even it classifies the brain, which thinks about this higher existence. It itself is a bunch of chemicals. So what is the meaning to think some higher to think for some higher purpose? Correct. So there is no meaning in the atheism because the foundation is like that. Okay. On the contrary, the religious people are also intellectually responsible because they raise this kind of questions. So I hope I was able to convey some points on discussions of this topic. Yeah. So anyway, thank you all very much for watching this. And you can, of course, we request your support and comments and your views on this point of view. So this was our first session. So thank you very much for joining us on Inspire Facebook. Keep connected and be safe, be at home. Thank you.